Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Subhasis. Today in this video, I will talk about how to use the escape sequence in a Java program. So let's start. Here you can see I have created a Java file and inside which I will write the main method. Now inside the main method I will put a printing statement in which I will show the use of escape sequence. So first one is /n. This /n creates a new line. So inside my message I will put a /n, then I will save it and compile it. Now when I will run this, you can see in the output terminal I have written technical subhasis and after technical I have put the /n. Now you can see the word subhasis is printed in a new line. So this is the working of /n. And then /t. This is used to put a horizontal tab. So I will put a /t in place of /n. So now you can see the output in terminal that the word Subhasis is printed at a tab distance from the first word, and you can use other escape sequences as per your need. So if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Technical Subhasis.